Hi, so we often get the question asked, what is the lifespan of an e-bike? Well, of course, it all depends on the quality of the bike. So at Electric Bike Company, we try and make your bike last between 20 and 30 years if you look after it well. And that comes from a variety of operational procedures and quality control that we have here. Because we build our own bikes, it's very important for us to inspect each one of the hardware, each one of the components, each one of the parts, and of course the way that we assemble the bike. Now that goes for the rims and the spokes and the integrated bearings and the aluminum frame, but the biggest thing you need to bear in mind when looking at the longevity of the bike is obviously the battery, the motor, and then the mechanical composition of the bike. So when it comes to the battery, we offer a 5-year battery warranty. But if you look after your battery properly, it can actually last up to 15 years if you really make sure that you do a good job. The other thing, of course, is wear and tear, environmental factors like dust, grime, mud, salt, air. So what we make sure we do is we assemble all our bike with stainless rust-resistant hardware, rust-resistant chain, and stainless rust-resistant spokes and brass nipples. All of those, of course, are they don't rust and make your bike last a lot longer. Now, be careful when you do look at bikes. After 1 year or 2 years, most bikes can actually last you okay. But what really is important is the longevity of your bike throughout the years. So really, because the legal limit is actually 28 miles an hour on pedal assist on most e-bikes, or on e-bikes in most states, you're going to be going really fast. You're going to be riding e-bikes a lot more often, and you want to make sure that your bike is actually assembled with these critical components, or it can last you a long time. So to answer the question, an e-bike will last you basically as long as the quality of the components. Look at Electric Bike Company. We only use the best. We feel that our bikes can last between 20 and 30 years if you look after it well. Hope that answers the question. And any other further comments, you can email us at Electric Bike Company on the electricbikecompany.com website, and we can answer all your other questions. Thanks very much.